Looking for the best angle grinder for cutting, grinding, or polishing? In this video, we've picked the best angle grinders that offer strong performance, durability, and versatility for DIY projects and professional jobs alike. Starting at number 1, DEWALT WE402 Angle Grinder. The DEWALT angle grinder is a powerful corded electric tool made from a combination of metal and plastic designed for durability and efficiency. With dimensions of 15.63 inches in length, 5.94 inches in width, and 4.81 inches in height, this grinder features a next-generation 11-amp AC/DC motor capable of reaching speeds of 11,000 RPM, offering an excellent power-to-weight ratio. It includes a dust ejection system that enhances its longevity by expelling harmful dust and debris that may enter the tool. Additionally, the grinder boasts oversized brushes that provide double the lifespan compared to its predecessor, the D28402 model. A large spiral bevel gear ensures extended transmission life, while the one-touch guard allows for easy 360-degree rotation with a single motion. The quick-change wheel release feature enables effortless wheel removal without the need for a wrench, making it a convenient choice for users. Number 2. BLACK+DECKER BD Edge 400 Angle Grinder. The BLACK+DECKER tool features a durable metal gear case designed for longevity, ensuring reliable performance over time. With dimensions of 12.5 inches in length, 5.19 inches in width, and 4.63 inches in height, this classic-style tool is powered by a corded electric source, providing consistent power for various tasks. It includes a 3-position side handle that enhances comfort and control during use, and a spindle lock that allows for easy changes of accessories, making it a practical choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Number 3. Porter Cable Angle Grinder. The Porter Cable Angle Grinder is a high-performance tool designed for aggressive cutting, removal, and finishing tasks, boasting a motor that produces an impressive 8,500 RPM. Constructed with a cast metal gear housing, it effectively dissipates heat during extended use, ensuring durability and reliability. The grinder features a contoured, over-molded handle that enhances comfort, while a spindle lock allows for quick and easy wheel changes. Additionally, it includes a 3-position side handle for improved control in various positions and a tool-free guard for quick adjustments. This model is part of the 20V Max system, making it a powerful cordless platform, although the battery and charger are sold separately. With dimensions of 16 Bosch L, X13 UX77H, this metal grinder tool is both functional and user-friendly. Number 4. DEWALT DCG413B Angle Grinder. The DEWALT 20V 4.5-inch grinder is a powerful and efficient tool designed for durability and safety. Constructed from metal and plastic, it measures 12.2 inches in length, 4.7 inches in width, and 6 inches in height. This battery-powered grinder features a brushless motor that eliminates the need for brush changes, ensuring consistent performance. It is equipped with a brake that stops the wheel in 2 seconds or less on average, enhancing user safety. Additionally, the kickback brake activates during pinch, stall, or bind-up events, applying maximum force to quickly halt the wheel and shut off the grinder to reduce movement. The grinder also includes e-switch protection, which requires the on-off trigger switch to be cycled after a power outage or unexpected shutdown before the tool can be restarted. Moreover, it has a 2-stage trigger that necessitates 2 actions to activate the tool, further promoting safe operation. Number 5. Bosch GWS8 45 Angle Grinder. The Bosch grinder is a powerful tool designed for industrial use, featuring a robust 7.5 amp motor that delivers an impressive 11,000 no-load RPM. Constructed from durable plastic, this grinder measures 11 inches in length, 5.1 inches in width, and 3.7 inches in height, making it compact yet effective for various tasks. Its slim grip design ensures outstanding user comfort during operation, while the durable carbon brushes contribute to an extended tool life. The 2-position side handle offers greater control and utility, enhancing the overall user experience. Additionally, the directed airflow feature helps divert dust away from vital components, ensuring durability over time. For user security, the grinder is equipped with a burst protection guard that allows for quick adjustments, and the service minder brushes eliminate guesswork by stopping the grinder when preventive maintenance is required. Overall, this corded electric tool is engineered for efficiency and longevity in demanding work environments.